Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using ChatGPT for SEO or search engine optimization. In this tutorial, we will discuss how ChatGPT can help you create content, perform keyword research and analysis, and generate titles that are SEO friendly. As an example, we're going to demonstrate how to use ChatGPT in improving the SEO of a food blog about coffee shops in Manila. First, open ChatGPT by visiting chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up to create an account using either your email address, Google account, or Microsoft account. If you already have an existing account, click Login. On the login page, enter your email address and click Continue. Enter your password and click Continue to log in. You can now start using ChatGPT to create SEO-friendly content. It's important to note that Google algorithms can identify and penalize AI-generated content. Therefore, it's best to limit its role only as a guide in creating the final output. To generate a content strategy for a food review blog in Manila, type in Create an SEO-friendly content strategy for my food review blog in Manila and click Enter. ChatGPT will provide you with a summarized strategy that you need to keep in mind when creating content for your blog. Wait until ChatGPT finishes generating the whole response. ChatGPT can also be used to create an SEO-friendly article outline. For example, if the topic is about the best coffee shops in Manila, you may type in Create an SEO-friendly article outline about the best coffee shops in Manila and click Enter. ChatGPT will reply with an article outline about the topic which you can use as a guide in creating your article. Always use human oversight when working with AI-generated content, as it may contain inaccuracies. ChatGPT can also perform keyword research and analysis. For example, if the topic is about coffee shops in Manila, type in List of SEO-friendly keywords for coffee shops in Manila and click Enter. ChatGPT will provide you with a list of keywords that you can include as the focus of your articles to make them SEO-friendly. In addition to generating a list of keywords, you can also use ChatGPT to compare which keywords would perform better in search rankings. For example, to compare the performance of the keywords coffee shop and cafe, type in which between the following keywords is more SEO-friendly, coffee shop or cafe. ChatGPT will suggest the more appropriate keyword and provide an explanation for why it is the better choice. Lastly, ChatGPT can be used to create an SEO-friendly title for an article. Once you have your full article, type in Generate an SEO-friendly title for the following article. And use Copy-Paste function to append the full article in the chat box. ChatGPT will suggest a title for your article. Click Regenerate Response to generate a new title if you're not happy with the suggested title. There you have it. If you're looking to optimize your search engine results, ChatGPT offers various ways to do so. However, it's essential to consider that other competitors may be using the same tool, leading to duplicated content. Hence, it's crucial to use AI-generated content merely as a guide and to create a unique and distinct final output before publishing.